baby. What can I do when a million things are running through? Million things I can't undo.
I don't know if you guys can hear us, but we have the pizza melts. Mine has mushroom. Dave does not have mushroom. Got a side of hot. And Dave got ranch.
I just sleep talk, don't wanna wake up.
Sandwich was good, y'all.
Wonderful experience. I actually enjoyed that sandwich.
Thumbs up to Potbelly.
And was it pizza?
Pizza melts.
Pizza melts.
So we have pizza melts. I don't know if you guys could hear us in there, and I don't want to get copywritten, so we're going to tell y'all about the sandwiches now. They were pretty good.
If you had to rate it, what would you rate it? On a scale from 1 to 10, what would you rate the pizza melt? I'd say 8 out of 10.
I would say like 8 or 9.
8 out 8.
It was very flavorful for it to be a sandwich.
Fulfilling, and I'm full.
Yeah, I'm full.
And we still have cookies left. Actually, we'll rate these
sandwich.
later.
I know about this cookie.
I never had this cookie.
This cookie is called the chocolate brownie cookie. If y'all had this before, let us know down below. If y'all even eat at Potbelly, let us know if there's one in your city or state. But Potbelly's pretty good for like sandwiches, soups, and stuff like that. You know, I feel like you get more bang for your buck at Potbelly compared to some other brands. But, you know, to each his own, whatever's in your area. They're all pretty good, like simple places for lunch or dinner, a quick sandwich, soup. And it's that time of the year of eating soups and warm sandwiches. So,
and their prices are fair.
Yeah,
So
I thought it was pretty good. All right, y'all. So now for the year of 2022, I definitely want to change up my backdrop a little bit, my background. But this little section in our bedroom is what I usually record in front of. So I just want to show you guys like the before, because I'm about to like revamp it. You guys will go through with me to like organize it once I clean it up, dust all this off. But I think we've outgrown this and I just need to switch it up a bit. So just wanted to show y'all this. I'm so embarrassed. I'm just tired of looking at the clutter and I'm just really, really embarrassed. But I'm going to show you guys anyway because it's a before and then y'all will see the after. So let's get into this. So it's a really small section in the corner. And so all of this is like a 2, 4, 6. This is a 6-piece like cubby, and it's just too much. I gotta go through these clothes. This is like night clothes, night pajamas, gym stuff, sweaters, purses, like my purses and stuff. It's just too much. You know, I mean, I got stuff sitting up here that it's just not organized. Lipsticks and stuff, fragrances. I got a new fragrance tray that's in here that's bigger than this one. My filming lights, additional tripod, and then this light here. So I'm gonna dust and clean all this up. So this is the before. This is the before.
Brought me many realizations. 20 taught me never be complacent. I've got 20 years and I'm still changing. I've lived 20 lives and needed saving. So I got all these layers stacking up like Tetris. The depths of who I am cannot be seen in metrics. More than meets the eye or meets imagination. Yeah. Cause I'm more than just a woman. I'm more than just a person. I got all these dimensions.
Right now, I am getting ready to go out with some friends. Babe and I are going to meet some friends for bowling. I know, random. Today is actually Tuesday. But I just had an amazing end of the year, like wine tasting, holiday celebration with my job. So now I'm off work and I'm just like putting a little concealer on. I'm about to put some powder, bronzer, and blush on to head out to bowling. So I just wanted to check in and I'll see you guys when I get to bowling. Okay, so now that I'm dressed and ready, this is what a quick makeup look would get you when you are in a rush. I have on Juicy by J. Make sure you check their link out in the description box below. If you don't know about GCJ, girl, what are you doing? Get hip. I'm gonna list the Instagram down below. Make sure you shop them this holiday season as well. These are the jellies, the lip jellies. My lips were so dry, and now they feel amazing. So yeah, just a quick bronzer, mascara, brows, powder, and let's go. Because we're
Maybe I've been going nowhere lately. It's time to start all over and go for it. 'Cause they don't even know me yet.
So I don't know if you guys can hear me, but we are in here waiting for our lane and all the arcades. It's like an arcade and bowling alley, almost like a Dave & Buster's if you have that near you. Comment down below if you have a round one. This is our first time at a round one, so we're gonna see how this pops off, but no. Look at this, my boy Martin.
Oh, there's a video. And what's good?
You can see what I see, feeling wrapped up in the warmth of sunset.
Alright y'all, so bowling was fun. I don't know if you guys can hear me, but we are now at B-Dub-Dub. About to get some wings and some drinks. How was bowling, man?
I enjoyed it. I got a couple strikes.
They did good. I was a little rusty. All of us was actually a little rusty. But bowling is actually fun. It's just been a while. But I don't know if you guys can hear me, so I'll check back in once we get our food this time.
What can I say with a million things I can't erase? Million people I can't save. I just sleepwalk, I just sleep talk. Don't wanna wake up.
Whew. Alright guys, so we're back home and we had an amazing time with friends tonight bowling. The food was pretty good at B-Dub-Dub, Buffalo Wild Wings, and bowling was a lot of fun. I was a little rusty, but I managed to get through. You guys see the scores. We had an amazing time. What, did you have fun, babe?
I enjoyed myself. I didn't do too well, but it's been years. It's been years, but I scored over 50, so I can't complain.
Yeah, babe was striking towards the end. I'm like, oof. I don't think I did a strike in a while, but it was a lot of fun. We had lots of fun. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check out Ana Luisa. I'll have their link down below. Make sure you shop my link so that you can save some money for the holidays. Thank you guys so much for supporting me. Thank you for supporting us. And until next time, love, peace, and beauty. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.